Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kurnool Institute of Fashion Technology. Today's topic is on skirts. I am going to show you some types of skirts. So 16 types of skirts I am going to show you based on the cut. So I have drawn a design and I'll show all the type of skirts and explain on that. Okay. I have drawn a simple skirt. This is a mini skirt. We call this as a mini skirt based on the cut and the length and so many factors will be considered in designing skirts. So this is the mini skirt and I'll show this. We call it as tubular skirt. Tubular. This will be fitting to the body. This we call it according to the shape. It will be fit to the body. So this type of skirt we call it as tubular skirt. And one more with the flare. This we call it as A-line skirt. A-line skirt model, this one. So this is straight and little flare it will have. We call this as A-line skirt model. Okay. And the next one, pleated skirt. So with pleats, there are many varieties of pleats that can be like knife pleats, box pleats, accordion pleats. Like that, so many types of pleated skirts will be there. So this is the pleated skirt. And this one is umbrella or circular, semicircular, like that we call. Depending on the length also, this can be more with more flare. So this is the flared skirt. We call it as flared skirt. Next one is yoke skirt. This we call it as yoke. This part is yoke we call. So this is yoke skirt model. This one with flares. Under bottom there will be pleats. So this part we call it as yoke. Okay, this is yoke skirt. And this one is balloon or bubble skirt. We call it as balloon skirt or the bubble skirt. So this comes to bubble. E effect mana bubble andam. So this type of skirt we call it as bubble skirt. And we have the panel skirt. This is the panel skirt. Panel cullis model, like that we call this one. So these are all the cullis we call or panels. Each part we call it as panel. So this is panel skirt. It can also be shorter or long, like that it will be. So this is cullis skirt. So this one is panels with godets. So in between the panels we have these godet pieces. E pieces ni manam godets antam. Wedge shape pieces, ivi triangular pieces. These we call it as godets. So this skirt is godet skirt. Next I'll show the tulip skirt. So this is tulip skirt because it looks like tulip flower, same as wrap over only, but this part will be wrap over, but it looks like tulip flower, like this one. And next, this is wrap over skirt. So you have wrap. So I have given frills also to show clearly. So this one, ruffles, we have given these ruffles. So this is wrap over skirt. And this one is asymmetric skirt. Asymmetric cut. The both right and left half are not in symmetry, means this side it is long and this side it is short. So this is asymmetric cut skirt. So this is layer skirt, means each layer will be different. It can be very lengthy also or it can be a short cut also. This we call it as layer skirt. Each layers are separately stitched. So this we call it as layer skirt, and this we call it as tiered skirt. Means each section is attached to each layer. Pleats petti ila each layer section attach chestamu. So this is layer skirt. And next we have high-low skirt. In this skirt you have back side part down, ila kinda kuntundi back side, and you have high in the upper part. So high-low skirt, we call this as high-low skirt. And this we call it as kerchief model skirt. So this cutting will be like kerchief type, and when we wear it, it looks like the pointed. Ante hemline part lo ila pointed ga kanipistundi. So the cutting is like kerchief. So we call this as kerchief model skirt. And we have the mermaid style. This skirt we call it as mermaid skirt. So this can be lengthy, like fish shape it will be. So fish cut also we call this one. So this is mermaid skirt model. These are the 16 types of skirt models. Okay.